Hi. Oh, hello. My name is Rico Rodriguez. I'm currently in the BTS program at UCBA. I'm taking two classes online, two classes face to face. I have received my associate's degree in electronic media technology. Hooray for you media students. I will soon graduate with 3 semesters with a bachelor's degree within that time period, I think. I don't really know. I'm very excited to be in a class with professional students. Nice to see you all again. I work as a fruit runner in season 52. That's it. My passion is creating abstract art, uh, abstract art in a physical medium, photography, and much more multimedia asset facets. The reason I'm taking this course is so I can become more versatile with knowledge about people, also become more aware of how I can apply what I learned from school to the rest of the world. So, in a general sense, escape with the knowledge I learned from school to reach a higher success after college. I'm looking forward into learning more about the interpersonal connections in the